Obsidian Manufacturing Industries Inc. became woman-owned in 2018 when I became majority stockholder and president of the company. I love my job and I'm up for the challenge of those thinking that women don't belong in the manufacturing industry. There isn't a job in my building that I don't think a woman could do if she has the right skill set. We've come a long way, but I think there's still work to do of getting more women involved in the manufacturing industry. We have to do better at encouraging women to take on these roles, and I think that starts with showcasing these opportunities to the younger generations. To create a more diverse workforce that can help the manufacturing industry thrive once again in our country, it takes the parents talking and encouraging and influencing their children at home. The schools need more shop and skilled trade classes available to the students. Communities need to support tech and community colleges more, and manufacturers need to open their doors for tours, apprenticeships, and internships. We've created a digital marketing strategy that has helped people recognize us by name, by brand, and our faces. Doing all that opens doors to top talent, new product development, and innovating our well-established brands. This helps us connect to a young, diverse generation who will be our next skilled trades workforce.